Hello, little boy. What is your name?
Hartly.
And how old are you?
4.
And what are you doing today?
Making a volcano erupt.
Whoa, that's a pretty big volcano.
Yeah, and there's some dinosaurs here, and even there's a pine where the lava can go in.
Oh, yeah? So, okay, we already put in some of the ingredients. What do we need to do now? We need to put in the vinegar.
And these two.
I think we'll try the soy sauce next. Let's just try first the vinegar. Let's see what happens.
I'm gonna watch.
You gonna watch from there?
Yeah.
Alright.
And put the video camera on the eruption.
Whoa!
That is yellow?
Yeah. Oh, it's erupting. Did it work?
No, I think we have to put that in to make it red.
Well, we don't have red. So let's see what happens when we put in soy sauce. Maybe the soy sauce will make it a little darker yellow.
Okay.
Alright. Put the soy sauce in.
Now.
Alright, now the vinegar.
Now the vinegar. Ooh, it's a little bit darker.
A little bit darker erupting.
Let's put more in.
Put more in. Whoa.
Let's put more in.
Whoa.
Daddy, put more of that in so we can see it erupt a lot.
Put more what in? More of the soy sauce?
Yeah.
Did you like the soy sauce idea? Makes it a little bit darker.
Yeah.
Put a little bit more of the.
What?
I wish we had red. Even though this comes out red, it's actually yellow drops. And then a little bit more baking powder.
Oh, Daddy, stop. Oh,
Yeah.
Daddy, don't put the vinegar in yet because I need to make that over there blue, okay? Because it's in the water, okay?
Okay.
Be right back.
So your plan is to make this blue here?
Yeah.
How do we make it blue? Maybe put some baking soda down here?
Okay, now we're going to put this. So we're going to put this. We're going to put this, Daddy.
Alright. Put a few drops. Alright, that's good. Alright, you gotta make sure.
Now, does it make black?
Now it starts with black, but I think if we mix and match and then we put a little bit of this, it makes its own little blue volcano.